Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. Okay, I will change the camera variation. For tonight, I will be showing you how I installed my door alarm activated by a magnetic switch. Just a while ago, I installed the alarm. This is the alarm. This is our main door. This is the alarm. This is the power supply. It's a 9-volt battery. Excuse me. And the activator of this alarm is this magnetic switch here. This is the first part of the switch in which the magnetic lock is inside. And the magnet which will activate the alarm is on the other side. So this is the magnet portion. This is the magnetic lock. For door alarm, we should maintain that the door is closed. If the door is closed, the alarm will not sound. Okay, but when the door is open, this should make a sound or alarm because the contacts of the magnetic switch will close. If we try to move away this portion of the magnetic switch from the magnet, because when we try to open it, the magnet and the magnetic lock is actually far away from each other. And since this is a normally open magnetic switch, when we try to move this magnetic switch away from the magnet, okay, the contacts inside will close and the alarm will be activated. Okay, that's the so-called concept on how to activate this door alarm by using a magnetic switch. Okay, this is normally open. For the meantime, the contact is not closed because the magnet is actually beside it. But once we move this magnetic lock away from the magnet, the contact will close and the alarm will sound. Okay, we'll try to do it. Okay, I will open the door. Okay, I will move it up. Okay. We brought back the magnetic lock near the magnet again, so the contacts is open. That's why the alarm is disarmed. That's the procedure on how to activate this one. We must have to move this one away from the magnet so the contacts inside will close, so the alarm will sound. Okay, we'll do it one more time. Okay, I will close the door. Okay. Once the magnetic lock is near the magnet, the contacts will open, so the alarm is disarmed. Okay, that's the concept of a door alarm controlled by a magnetic lock. Okay, one more time. I will open it. Like if you are sleeping and somebody try to force open this door, of course, when you try to force open, these two contacts will move away from each other, so this will be closed. The contacts inside will close and the alarm will sound. Okay, well, I will do it one more time. Okay, I will close the door. So the alarm is disarmed because the magnet is very near this magnetic lock, and since this magnetic lock is normally open, okay, once the magnet is near it, it will open. Okay, for as long as the magnet is very near or beside this magnetic lock, okay, for normally open, this will not close. this magnetic lock will only close if we try to move away that magnetic lock away from the magnet, like this. Okay, that's it. I will close it. Okay, that's it, guys. That's the way how to install a door lock, okay, by using a magnetic lock which is activated by a magnet when we try to move away that magnetic lock away from the magnet. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.